Once upon a time, in the heart of the jungle, there lived a mischievous monkey named Milo. Milo had a cozy little treehouse where he spent his days swinging from branch to branch and chattering with his friends. One sunny morning, Milo returned from gathering bananas to find his treehouse crushed and broken, with large footprints leading away into the forest. Enraged and confused, Milo followed the footprints until he stumbled upon a massive elephant named Edgar. "Why did you destroy my home?" demanded Milo, shaking with anger. Edgar, taken aback by Milo's accusation, replied, "I did not mean to harm your home, little friend. I was just passing through the forest and accidentally stepped on it." Fuming with resentment, Milo decided to take his case to the wise Lion King, Leo, known for his impartial judgments and fair rulings. He approached the lion's den, where Leo sat majestically, surveying his kingdom. "Your Majesty," began Milo, "this elephant Edgar has destroyed my home, and I demand justice." Leo listened attentively to Milo's complaint, and then turned to Edgar for his side of the story. Edgar explained his accidental involvement in the destruction of Milo's treehouse, expressing genuine remorse for his actions. Leo, pondering the situation thoughtfully, addressed both parties. "Milo, it is true that Edgar's actions have caused you great inconvenience, and I understand your frustration. However, Edgar did not intentionally harm your home. It was merely an unfortunate accident." Turning to Edgar, Leo continued, "Edgar, while I sympathize with Milo's predicament, you must also be more cautious as you move through the jungle. Your size and strength carry great responsibility." Feeling a sense of relief wash over him, Milo nodded in agreement, realizing that perhaps Edgar had not intended to harm him after all. Edgar, in turn, promised to be more mindful of his surroundings in the future. Leo smiled warmly at both of them. "In the spirit of harmony and understanding, I decree that Edgar shall help Milo rebuild his tree house, using his strength to gather sturdy branches and leaves." Grateful for the king's wise decision, Milo and Edgar set off together into the forest, working side by side to construct an even better tree house than before. As they laughed and bonded over their shared endeavor, they learned that even in times of conflict, kindness and cooperation could prevail. And so, with the guidance of their fair and just king, the monkey and the elephant forged an unlikely friendship that would last a lifetime, proving that even the greatest disputes could be resolved with understanding and compassion.